Friends, welcome to Abhivakti India's Future Classroom. Today we will see reasoning ability in which sitting arrangement in around a circular table and how to solve the questions related to it. There are 8 persons sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. Then first draw a circle and draw 8 positions with the help of arrows which are facing towards the center. So here there are 8 arrows we have drawn which are facing towards the center. Since they are facing towards the center, we have to first decide their left side and the right side. The left side will be in the clockwise direction, so first specify the left side. So here these are the left sides of each person sitting around a circle which is in a clockwise direction. Now specify the right hand side. So these are the right hand sides of each person sitting around the circle. So this is a right hand side of a person who is sitting here. This is a right hand side of a person who is sitting here, and so on. So if the persons are facing inside or facing towards the center, then their left hand side will be in the clockwise direction and the right hand side will be in the anti-clockwise direction. Suppose the people are sitting facing outside, it means away from the center. Then first draw a circle, then specify the 8 positions with the help of arrows which are facing outside or away from the center. Here are the 8 arrows that are showing the positions of 8 persons. Now you have to specify the left hand side and the right hand side. When they face towards the center, left will be in the clockwise direction and right will be in the anti-clockwise direction. But when they are facing outside or away from the center, then their left hand and right hand will change. It will be opposite than that of the previous. So the right hand will be in the clockwise direction, and so this will be the right hand side in a clockwise direction and left hand side will be in the anti-clockwise direction. So if a person is sitting here, then in a clockwise direction this will be the right hand side, and in the anti-clockwise direction this will be the left hand side. Friends, once you have specified this, the left hand side and the right hand side, then you will be able to solve the questions according to the given conditions. So first we will see the question that 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a circle facing the center, but not necessarily in the same order as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So first draw a circle. Since they are facing towards the center, draw 8 arrows which are facing towards the center. Now see the conditions. Now decide the left and right side. Since they are facing towards the center, left will be in the clockwise direction, so this will be the left side of each person, and now right hand side will be in the anti-clockwise direction, and so this will be the right hand side of each person. So denote it first. Now go to the conditions. The first condition is D sits third to left of A. D sits third to left of A. Let A is sitting here. So let A is here and D sits third to the left. So go in the left hand direction, that is in a clockwise direction, first, second and third, and so D sits here. Now the second condition is that A is an immediate neighbor of both F and H. A is immediate neighbor of F and H. This is the A sitting here. So F will be this or F will be this, because this side is also a neighbor and this side is also a neighbor. H can be to this side or either to this side. So here we cannot specify the actual play position of F and H. So friends, skip this and go for the next condition. So only one person sits between C and F. Between C and F only one person sits. Suppose C sits here, then this will be F. So this is not possible because F is a neighbor of A. So if you take this as a C, because only one person sits between C and F, so if you take this as F and this as C, then here one person can sit. But if you take this as C and this as F, then this is not possible because this position is already occupied by D, and therefore this will be F, this will be C, because between C and F one person sits. So definitely the clue to the second condition, that is F and H are immediate neighbors. F position is fixed, so H should be to this side. So this is H, this is F, both are immediate neighbor of A, and between F and C one person sits. That which person sits, that we do not know. Now go for the second condition. B is not an immediate neighbor of D. B is not an immediate neighbor of D. So B is not an immediate neighbor of D. So B cannot be here and B cannot be here, because these both positions are immediate neighbor of D, and so B should be here because this position is only left. Only one person sits between B and G. Next condition is that only one person sits between B and G. Between B and G only one person is sitting, that is C, and therefore G's position should be this one. And now one place is left, that is of E. So the remaining position will be here, and that is of the E. Now you have specified all the positions of 8 persons, A, F, B, C, G, D, E and H. Now we will go for the questions on this. So the first question is, A is related to G in a certain way. Similarly, C is related to H in the same way. Now we will see the relation between A and G. This is A and G. What is the relation between A and G? That A and G both are opposite to each other. Now take another. C is related to H in the same way. C, where is C? This is C, and H both are opposite to each other, and therefore to whom amongst the following is F is related. So here it is F, and so what is opposite to H? F, and that is D. So D is related to F, and so the proper answer will be this fourth one. Now see the next question. Who amongst the following sits second to the right of C? Second to the right of C. First check for the C. This is C. And second to the right of C. So go in the right direction. So in the right direction means in a anti-clockwise direction. How many spaces? Second. So first, that is G. First, that is G, and second, that is D. So who amongst the following sits second to the second to the right of C. So second to the right of C is D, and therefore this third is the correct answer. Now next question is, what is the position of C with respect to position of E? C and E. This is C and this is E. So third to the left, this is third to the right. First, second, third, but it is third to the right. Third to the left, we will have to go in this direction. So first option is not there. Second to the left, that is also not possible. Immediate right is also not possible. Third to the right, so go in the right direction. First, second and third. So this is third to the right. So E's position is third to the right of C, and therefore this D option is correct. Now the next question is, which of the following is true with respect to the given seating arrangement? A sits to the immediate left of H. A sits to the immediate left of H. Is it immediate left? No, it is immediate right. So first option is not correct. So B sits exactly between C and G. B sits exactly between C and G. It is not there. It is exactly sitting between C and F. So second option is also not there. F sits second to right of C. F, this is F. It sits second to right of C. Second to right of C. This is C, but right direction is here. So this is also not possible. E is an immediate neighbor of C. E is immediate neighbor of C. It is not there because it is immediate neighbor of D and H. So the correct answer is none is true. Next question is, which of the following pairs represent the immediate neighbors of G? Immediate neighbors of G are, this is G, so immediate neighbors of G are D and C, or C and D, therefore this second option is correct. Now the last question, who amongst the following sits exactly between C and F? This is C and this is F. So exactly among C and F, who is sitting? B is sitting, and therefore this last option, E option, is correct. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you might have enjoyed this. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.